Alright guys, we are out here with the Wizard with the new Blitz flight controller in there. I have loaded up some Betaflight 4.3 RPM filters and the freestyle setup, whatever, from the officials. I think it was Superfly. Anyways, we're going to do a little testing with it and see if it flies any better. Alright, here's the last bit of testing I'm going to try with this, and hopefully everything's looking good. Here we go. Ooh, camera's a little dirty. Get that a little white. There we go.
What is love? Baby, don't hurt me. Don't hurt me no more. Baby, don't hurt me. Don't hurt me no more. What is love? I don't know. You're not there. I give you my love, but you don't care. What is right? What is wrong? Give me a sign. What is love? Baby, don't hurt me. Don't hurt me no more. What is love? Baby, don't hurt me. Don't hurt me no more. I don't know. What can I do? What else can I say? It's up to you. Know where I want, just me and you. Can't go on. What is love? Baby, don't hurt me. Don't hurt me no more. What is love? Baby, don't hurt me. Don't hurt me no more. What is love? What is love? What is love? Baby, don't hurt me. Don't hurt me no more. I want no other lover. This is our life, our time. We are together, need you forever. Is it love? What is love? Baby, don't hurt me. Don't hurt me no more. What is love? Baby, don't hurt me. Don't hurt me no more. What is love?
Alright. I think that was a good good test, good run. Got some low flying there. Hopefully that might look pretty good. I can do something with that. Motors feel pretty good. They don't feel as hot as they did when I first started flying. this new flight controller. I feel like the RPM filter that I put on from the presets on 4.3 of Betaflight seem to be working pretty good. Yeah, it's still the Wizard motors, but no ESCs, and it's got the iFlight Blitz F7 flight controller in there with the 6sex, whatever the fuck that VTX is called. Yeah, the Force. Yep, sorry. And 800 milliwatts, I guess, max output. I don't know if I'm getting 8. I get some breakup around the house still, so I don't know. For what it is, it seems to be working pretty good. Anywho, until the next time, YouTube, have a good day and peace.